Welcome back to the channel, Drunken Chef in the house. Today's video, we're going to be doing a tri-tip collab. I have not only one, but two choice tri-tips from Costco, marinating in these awesome flavors. Stay tuned so you can see what we have going on and who's involved in the tri-tip collab. All right. Here we are at the pit. Let's go ahead and you can see here we're about 255, almost 260. That's all right. That's what I want. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is do it straight over the coals. That's our tapatio. And here we have our salt, pepper, and garlic. And I did add a little bit of cracked black pepper because I love that peppery taste. Again, we're going to do this over the coals. Normally I do a reverse seared, but I want that heat direct. We're going to let it sit for about 20 minutes and we'll come back and check on it. Stay tuned. All right. So we're at about 240. We're at 30 minutes in. We're going to go ahead and lift this lid up, take a look. Nice char on that. Here goes our tapatio. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. gonna set that there, close the lid, go for another 20 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, so as you can see, we are finished with this cook. As you seen earlier, when we flipped it, that was about 30 minutes into the cook. You saw the nice char on the tapatio, tri-tip, and the beautiful color on the salt, pepper, and garlic with that cracked pepper. I let it cook for another 15 minutes after that. Pulled them, let them rest. They've been resting for a good hour, hour and a half. Had to take care of some other stuff. So they are here, well rested. Before I slice into these, I just want to give a couple shout outs. One being Dubs. I want to thank you for the Tapatio Marinade that we used. 3 years ago, you gave me this recipe. I did it once where I actually put the Tapatio in the marinade with the lemon, the Worcestershire, the beer, and the barbecue sauce. Phenomenal, phenomenal recipe. This year, I went ahead and did it a little bit different, where you saw that we took the Tapatio, put it on a silicone mat, popped it in the oven until it dried out, and then just crushed it up in a bowl. Use it kind of like a rub, like a seasoning, and now we're gonna be able to taste that. So Dubs, thank you for the recipe again. This time I did use the beer as well. So check out for his channels down below in the description. He does have 2 channels, and they'll both be down in the description box. Next shout outs I want to give out are to a few channels that are actually in the tri-tip collab. One being RXTX Barbecue, Mr. Randy Shifter, Madwood Barbecue, and Guggen Barbecue. I hit up Randy, asked him if he wanted to collab with me. He agreed, wanted to do a tri-tip. I said, perfect, let's do this. You definitely want to check out these other guys' cooks. Their links will also be down in the description, so be sure to go check them out. Big shout out to all the guys that are involved in this. Big shout out to Dubs. Thank you very much again. Here we go. You guys ready to get into this? Let's do this. So first, I'm just going to cut right down the center. Actually, not the center, but because we got grains going this way and we got grains going this way. So we want to cut against the grain, right, guys? So I'm going to take that right down the middle, right down there. And as you can see, still nice and pink in the middle. I like mine to be medium rare. That is a beautiful thing right there. I'm loving this right here. For sure, for sure. All right, let's go ahead and slice down the middle of this one. There we go. Look at that. Another nice, beautiful pink inside. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. All right. So I'm gonna set this one aside because this is the main one that I want to try out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and turn it this way because I got the grains going that way. And like I said, we do want to slice against the grain. That is beautiful. This is money, I can already tell. Loving it. I can't wait to taste the flavors of these though, for sure. Let's go ahead and get a taste of that. Make sure to cut all the way through there. All right, look at that bend test. That is a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. Take the pull test, boom, money. That is freaking awesome. Here comes the bite from that tapatio. Got the juices in there. That flavor is on point. Guys, if you haven't tried any of these recipes, especially with the tapatio on a tri-tip, I definitely want you guys to try it out. Let us know down in the comments below. I'll have the ingredients listed down below. If not, you guys can go back, Dubs Tapatio Marinade, and check out the description of that one. This is a phenomenal recipe. I want to thank everybody again that's part of the collab, RXTX Barbecue, Madwood Barbecue, and Guggen Barbecue. Shout out to you guys. Can't wait to see your guys' videos. Be sure to check down the description and go check out the channels. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.